This new initiative which we are going to launch today, that is LVB Crown Services, that is again another initiative. This is basically why we have done this, because we know in this modern banking scenario, unless we extend the personalized customer service to all our valuable clients, although we have to serve all our clients, all the customers are important to us, but in the same way, some of the clients, who have been giving us good service, so we are basically creating a different segment, a different vertical, that is called LVB Crown Services, where high value and HNI customers, they will be getting personalized service. So a personal relationship manager will be posted, who will be taking care of their entire banking needs, and in turn we will also be extending some concessional facilities to them. This is major for the purpose of deepening of relationship, so that not only we can satisfy their customer needs, but at the same time give them some additional facilities, so that they feel elated, and we are giving them the name of Crown. They are Crown for LVB. So some of the facilities which will be extended to them, I will say that, like they will be given this platinum visa card, which will be internationally, which can be used. That will be there. Some, the restrictions normally we apply on ATM withdrawals, POS withdrawals. In their case, these limits will be higher, so they will be given additional facilities. In addition, their family members, like two types of accounts we will be giving to them. One is this Lakshmi Mahila account, and one Lakshmi Youth Power account. So for their children, so they will also be given the same facility which the original account holder has been given. So like this LVB Crown Services is being launched today, and this is the first, of course, we are launching. Again, for this also we have selected Bangalore only, because Bangalore we know is the very prosperous city, IT related city. And now in the next 3 months, up to rather 2 months, up to March, we propose to set up another 5 such Crown Services center across the country. And later on, we want to increase this number by March 2016 to at least 2021. So that way, what we will be doing that almost 10% of in the next 2-3 years, 10% of our branches should have this counter, LVB Crown Services, and the majority of customers, they will be covered under this service.